There comes a moment in everyone's life where you have a choice. You can allow everything you went through to either destroy you, or you can allow everything you went through to rebuild you. I need you to sit on that for a minute. And today, it's officially closing one chapter of my life. And I'm going to get into this, because I'm beginning a new one. For the last 50 days, I went on a journey I never expected. A journey of healing, a journey of forgiveness, and a journey of reflection. And honestly, a journey of finding myself again. Sometimes people see the smile. They see the success, and they see the businesses. They see the outside, but they don't always see the battles someone fought behind closed doors. They don't see the nights you questioned yourself, the moments you wondered why certain things happened in your life, the moments where life forced to slow you down for a minute, just like I'm doing in this video. Slow you down to look into the mirror and ask yourself, who am I becoming? Over these last 50 days, I learned some of the greatest lessons of my entire life. I learned that peace is priceless. I learned that forgiveness doesn't mean carrying what hurt you into your future. And I learned that you can love people, pray for people, and wish the best for people, and still choose the path that God is calling you towards. I learned your past is supposed to educate you, not imprison you. And sometimes, God just removes things from your life, not because he's punishing you, but because he's preparing you. And it took a lot to figure that part out. He's preparing you for your growth. He's preparing you for your purpose. Preparing you for your next version of yourself. I spent time traveling, reflecting. I have been praying. I've been writing. I've been doing these videos. I've been learning. I'm taking classes. I've been growing. Even at, 48? I think 48. I'm still doing it. I drove across the country. I watched sunsets. I spent time in nature. I spent time alone with my thoughts, my feelings, my emotions. And I realized something that was very important. I wasn't losing my life. I was discovering my life. Now, this next chapter is different. This is my rebuilding era. It's time to build my health. It's time to build my mindset. It's time to build my companies. It's time to build my dreams. Build stronger relationships, and become the man God created me to become. But here's the thing, this journey is no longer just about me. It's about taking every single lesson that I've learned, every single mistake that I went through in life, every setback that I experienced, every storm that knocked my ass on the ground, and using it to help somebody else. Because someone watching this video right now might be exactly where I was. Wondering if things get better. Wondering if the pain goes away. And wondering if they can start over. And I'm here to tell you something. Yes, you can. You absolutely can. Your ego does not define you. Your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. Your worst moments do not define you. The decisions you make next will define you. So today, the healing chapter now closes officially. The rebuilding era now begins. And I invite you to come along this journey with me. We're going to grow and we're going to learn. We're going to build. We're going to build mentally. We're going to build physically. We're going to build emotionally and spiritually. And together we're going to prove something, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes the life you thought was falling apart was actually falling into place. Listen, if this message connected with you and you're ready to grow and you want to grow with me along this journey, this is the next step. This is where the fun begins. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good fun stuff, and share this message with somebody because somebody out there needs to hear the same exact message. This message could actually reshape and change somebody's entire life. Listen, I've been there. I've done it. I've gone through it. I walked through the storm. And I've seen a rainbow. Don't forget to visit my page, ShawnPigg.com, ShawnPigg.com. Sign up for my free newsletter. I'm going to be doing a lot of great things with my newsletter. And thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my channel. And I want you to be able to experience what life is all about and not going through the challenges that I went through. Have an awesome day.